मोबाइल पीछे ले मांगे मांगे
मोबाइल अंदर अच्छा कैमरा है मोबाइल ये भाई इधर अच्छा है तो बताओ तो मेरा भी करें ए सुभाष सुभाष
जगह हमें पता
तो पीछे ना भाई सतीश सतीश कैमरा खा ना
साइड रास्ता दो साइड मोबाइल नंबर लो ना संभाल के संभाल के संभाल के
क्या कहना चाहिए ओमपुरी जी के बारे में? कुछ है ऐसी
I feel it's a big loss for the whole industry, and just want his soul to rest in peace. That's it. Yeah. I think it's a huge loss for everyone.
कुछ मेमोरी है उनके बारे में
memory you want to share
with us?
with us?
You know, I've done 3 films with him: Yuva, Dabang, and Singh is King. So I think बहुत ही कमाल के इंसान है. I think ऐसी सोल है नहीं इंडस्ट्री में. I wish थोड़ा और वक्त होता उनके पास, but जहाँ पे भी है खुश रहें. That's it. Thank you so much. That's it, brother. Thank you. Man.
Thank you.
Difficult to sum up a man's life in a brief moment of a soundbite for a television channel. But what Ompuri's legacy is that for generations of actors to come, they will have a textbook material in every performance of his whatever he has done in films. The fact that he changed this whole myth of that actors have to be a certain looking people. He is the first person to sort of be unconventional looks, and he gave birth to millions of other actors like me and other people to have the courage of depending on your talent and making it big in this world. And I think he bridged the gap of so-called parallel cinema and commercial cinema beautifully, not only in India but also abroad. In fact, he was the first actor who took Indian cinema or Indian legacy of acting to the world outside India. In those times, I don't think we had social media and television so much, but I think if somebody has to be said that, okay, this is the guy who carried the flag of Indian talent abroad, I think Mr. Ompuri will be the first person. We are all mini Ompuris as compared to what he has done. And the most important thing is that as a person, he was a typical warm-hearted, smiling, laughing Punjabi who believed in kindness, who believed in generosity of emotions, who believed that being good to people is important. And he was the first actor that I worked with who actually was effortless. I used to always tell him कि पूरी साहब आप जब शॉट दे रहे होते हैं तो इतने कमाल के नहीं लगते हैं, पर जब आपको मैं वही शॉट को सिनेमा पे देखता हूँ तो आप बड़े ज़बरदस्त नज़र आते हैं. तो 2 चीज़ें बोलते थे वो मुस्कुरा के कि एक तो बोलते थे पर्सनैलिटी भी कोई चीज़ होती है और दूसरा बोलते थे कि टैलेंट भी कोई चीज़ होती है. It's unfortunate that we sum up a man's life when he's gone. But when I look back at him, I think he was one of the finest actors. Superstars will come and go, but actors will stay. And in that era, I think Ompuri's contribution to Indian cinema is immense. And we've all lost a great friend, and I feel sad about that.
Thank you so much.